Freetrade pricing explained what you get for your money. Freetrade is a commission-free investing app that allows users to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. Many assume commission-free apps hide fees elsewhere, but Freetrade keeps pricing simple and transparent. The app is free to download, and standard accounts allow commission-free trading of US and UK stocks. The Freetrade Plus subscription is $9.99 per month and provides access to more stocks, advanced order types, and ISA or SIP accounts. There are no hidden fees, and currency conversion costs are disclosed upfront. Most people get this wrong by thinking commission-free trading lacks support or research tools. The surprising truth is that Freetrade offers research summaries, analyst ratings, and portfolio tracking even on the free plan. For example, a 500 investment in fractional shares of popular ETFs can be made instantly with clear insights on performance. In conclusion, Freetrade's pricing is straightforward and transparent, with free trading options and an affordable premium tier. It's an excellent platform for beginners and experienced investors alike who want low-cost access to global markets.